salt, black pepper, garlic powder, season to the bone. Forgot to put the pepper, so now I'm going to add some pepper to the pot. I don't brown my oxtail on top of the stove. I don't add brown into it. I just put all these seasoning. Right. Look at it. Cut off all the fat as much as possible, because you know, as oxtail still carries a bit of fat, right? This is it, and this goes in the oven. At this point, you take the lid off, turn the oven on broil so the oxtail can get this beautiful golden color.